I've placed the water for ugali. I'm gonna wait for it to boil, then I'm gonna be mixing flour in it. So let's just wait for it to boil up. As you can see, the rabbit is still going, it's still roasting over there. It's not yet ready, but I'll show you when it is ready. Yeah? Hey guys, how you doing? Guys, today I'm so excited. I'll be cooking rabbit meat with you step by step. I'm gonna show you how we prepare it, how we roast it, so make sure you stay tuned and not miss anything. But guys, before we get right into it, I'd like to thank you so much for your continuous love and support this far, because I would not be here without you. And if you're new, kindly consider subscribing to this amazing village channel for more amazing content. Subscribe. Now we are washing the rabbit meat because the rabbit blood smells. When you left on the meat, it makes the meat smell. So we are washing it thoroughly. It's roughly, and then you're going to let it dry for like 30 minutes or 1 hour. It roughly weighs 1.5 kgs to 2 kgs. Guys, I really can't wait to have a taste of this, guys. I have never really tasted rabbit meat before. This is my very first time, I'm telling you. We're going to try amazing stuff in the village, guys. So make sure you stay tuned. And I'll be giving you new experiences and amazing content. Come. Now it's drying. Now it's drying in the direct sun. Now we are slicing it up for the sun to go in deep into the skin, so that when we roast it, it's gonna be amazing, tasty. And we are gonna salt it up for some taste. We are getting ready to roast the rabbit meat. As you can see, we are preparing the fireplace, the campfire, to roast it. You know, here it is. The rainy season is finally here. We are so excited. We are very ready to harvest the fruits of our labor and even plant some more. But for today, let's cook some rabbit and enjoy. So I just want to light up the campfire to roast the rabbit up. is ready. I want to go and roast this rabbit. Today just going to roast it and put some salt in it. So come, let's go and start roasting. It was dried for like an hour. So come on now. This is the most traditional way of cooking a rabbit, just roasting it. But it can be fried, it can be boiled, however you prefer it. But for today, we're going to roast it. So I'm done salting it. And what we're going to do, we are going to be turning it over and over until it's ready. And you'll see the process. So stay tuned in until the very last moment, until it is ready. Yeah? Guys, when you're in the village, you have to be very creative and improvise, you know. As you can see, we have improvised this other tree to be able to rotate the rabbit and make sure it is ready, very, very well ready, you know. Again, as you can see, it's starting to turn. It's starting to get ready. It's starting to brown up. But it's going to take a couple more minutes to be completely ready. So let's be patient and cook it some more. We have not added any oil. It's cooking in its own part, and as you can see, it's dripping. Oh my god, this rabbit had a lot of fat in it, and that is the best part, meaning it's gonna be yummy, it's gonna be delicious for sure. Now we are making another fire for cooking ugali. It's what you're going to have with the rabbit. I'm going to show you how ugali is cooked in our village, so stay tuned and let me just hurry up and get the fire burning here. yummy.